Where's Bitsy? Where's Bitsy? Peekaboo! Where's Bitsy? Oh, and she has a horrible bruise on her head. But she was playing games. Emmy, can mommy see your head? Let's show the camera what happened to your head. We tried to walk and fell into the corner because we're crazy walking fool. And there's the giant bruise. And she's like, get off me, Mom. Say hi! Hi, I have a giant bruise. I hit my head in the corner. Did you fall down? Is that why you have a pacifier? Because it was an urgent emergency. Say bye-bye. Can you blow a kiss? Can you blow a kiss? No, she'll read her book instead. Hey! Is Elmo on TV? Are you watching Elmo?